Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel Bedroom Comfort. Are you tired of sleeping hot and restless at night? What if I told you there's a game-changing solution? The DREO fan for bedroom is here to revolutionize your sleep experience. This powerful table fan is designed with a modern touch, featuring LED lights that add a sleek ambience to your bedroom. One of the most impressive features of the DREO fan is its ability to cancel out noise, providing a whisper-quiet operation at just 25 decibels, allowing you to sleep undisturbed. Many customers have purchased and reviewed this product, praising its performance and ease of use. The convenient control panel allows you to adjust airflow, switch between speeds, or set the 8-hour timer without leaving your bed, using the remote control. The fan also features a 120-degree vertical manual tilt and 90-degree horizontal oscillation, providing multiple angles to meet your blowing needs. The aerodynamic technology used in this fan provides a smoother airflow, resulting in a more comfortable sleeping experience. You can also pair it with your space heater or humidifier for energy savings. The grill and blades can be easily taken out for cleaning, helping you keep your air moving without dust or fur. The digital numbers on the fan will also turn off after 1 minute, allowing you to sleep in complete darkness. In real-life use, I found the DREO fan to be extremely effective in keeping my bedroom cool and comfortable, even on the hottest summer nights. The fan is also very easy to assemble and disassemble for cleaning, making it a great choice for those who value convenience. Overall, the DREO fan for bedroom is a must-have for anyone looking to upgrade their sleep experience. With its powerful performance, modern design, and whisper-quiet operation, it's definitely worth considering. As always, links in the description. 1. Have a nice day. If this review helped, please like the video, subscribe for more honest reviews, and share it if you liked the video.